I'm Hank down here at Sherwood Dodge. Beside me I got a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland in ivory white. In the front you've got front sensors. You also have the projector lamps with it, which are LED, and the LED fog lamps. It's got panoramic sunroof from the top. It's got premium leather. This one is a 5.7 liter Hemi. It's got full speed forward collision warning, adaptive cruise with stop, parallel and perpendicular self-park, lane departure warning, front rear sensors, blind spot cross path detection, premium leather as I mentioned, panel sunroof as I mentioned, the 8.4 screen width now. The leather continues in the back seats here. You've got premium 19 speakers with the Harman Kardon stereo, select Train 4x4 controls. The second row of seats are heated as well, backup camera, hitch, and the power gate. In the bottom, you've also got the full-size spare and jack. If you want any more information on this sweet Overland, my name's Hank down here at Sherwood Dodge, 587-873-0112. Comment below or come on into the dealership.